We'll guide you through how to find saved templates in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok. So perhaps you've come down to the bottom and you've come to templates. And what you've been doing is browsing through these and looking at them. And what you've done is you've gone and saved some. You've gone and press the icon over to the right below comments. And now you want to go and find these different templates you've gone and done this with. Because potentially you want to go and use them, or you just want to go and look through them as you've been going and doing this to your favorite different templates. So make sure this full guide is guiding you through how this can go and be done. What you need to do is come to the bottom right of TikTok. There you're going to go and find the profile button like so. Then what you need to do is you want to come down and find likes and favorites. And you can come here. And then this will go and bring you to the liked content, where you want to go and select favorites in the top right. And you'll then go and see the different templates you've gone and done this with. And you can tap on them again and go through them. And of course, you can then go and use them by pressing use template at the bottom. It's that simple.